How did Slate build an electric truck that only costs $27? It might not seem pretty, but it's all pretty effective. The headline-grabbing price tag everyone's been talking about is Slate's $27 figure for its upcoming all-electric truck. Yes, that means with the federal EV tax credit. This new vehicle, forget EV, forget truck, forget SUV, a brand new vehicle in America, could cost as little as $20 or so. There are only a few cars available for so little, let alone anything truck-shaped that can be converted to SUV-shaped or electric or all three. As the Build manufacturing founders noted, the wage earner has largely been ignored by the auto industry and essentially relegated to the used car market. Slate will target this audience, along with laborers, service providers, young professionals, families, and contemporary seniors who loathe screens. The $27 target price before any potential EV incentives is intended to support a monthly payment in the $360 to $400 range, without an epic loan duration. That's the recommended max car payment for folks earning less than $100 annually. And owners can have fun optioning their vehicle over time as their discretionary funds permit. Here's how the company plans to make the truck so cheap. No options. The Slate factory will build one SKU. A gray truck with one universal feature set. The sole exception. Buyers will be able to choose between two NMC battery packs, 52.7 kilowatt-hours, 150 miles, or 84.3 kilowatt-hours, 240 miles. Those are total energy stats. Usable has yet to be divulged. That's it. One car. No paint shop. Glass-filled polypropylene composite body panels are hella cheap to tool and produce. And deleting the energy, emissions mitigation, and tooling costs of a full paint shop yields huge savings. The steel unibody structure still needs an ELPO primer dip. Few frills. Remember crank windows? They're a step up from sliders. There's no infotainment system, sunroofs, cruise control, or keyless entry and starting. Heat and AC are standard. The battery requires a refrigerant cooling system anyway, as are power locks with a remote key fob, deemed critical for drivers to feel safe walking up to a dark car. Parts commonality. Tail lamps are interchangeable left and right. Ditto the door handles, there's even a chance the exterior handles will also be used inside. 2. Fewer parts are good, but more destinations for the same parts brings economies of scale and savings. 500 sub-assemblies. The plant should crank Slates out quickly and cheaply by assembling about a fifth the total number of parts that comprise a typical pickup. Even the sub-assemblies were simplified. An instrument panel structure that started out with 27 parts now has 7. And each door structure's 15 parts were consolidated to 10. Engineered components. The 3-in-1 electric drive unit, motor, inverter, reduction gearbox, is an off-the-shelf part developed by and sourced from JJE Technologies. Brownfield manufacturing site. Slate is refitting a former phone book publishing plant that enjoys good access to logistics and workforce assets. Direct sales. Partner logistics. Like all the other cool electric startups, sales will be factory direct. And a nationwide partner organization has been identified to assist with deliveries, service, and warranty work.